For the last 10 years, we've been making clothes in workshops and factories all over the British Isles. But what a lot of people don't know is that one of our best-selling products, the Jacksnipe jackets, are made right here in the Far East. It's great here, great Yarmouth, and we've come to see the people who make our Jacksnipe jackets.
Morning, ladies.
Good morning, Mr. HebTroCo.
These are all the Jacksnipe jackets that we've made so far. They've all been made here. There's number 1 through to number 7 that we've had on sale so far, and I'm wearing number 8. So before we came away to do this film, Vic very carefully labelled, she's very organised, she labelled all of these Jacksnipes, and she's written on, say this one, Jacksnipe Original, number 1, December 2023. And every one of these has got a waxed cotton outer, either like a dry wax finish or a wet wax, and that's from Scotland, from Halley Stevensons. And they've all got buttons on them from Courtney's, who are in the Cotswolds, and they've been made here in Great Yarmouth by Yarmouth Oilskins. It feels quite special having this, you know, one of each one that we've done and having it here at Yarmouth, where they've all been made. You know, it's like we've really achieved something over 2 years with the great people that work here. There's some really skilled machinists, and I love visiting here. They're always really keen to see us. They give us all the time to let us take pictures, ask them daft questions about, you know, what they make, and we have a really good laugh with them. And this is so important, you know, that we've got meaningful work. This is job satisfaction. You know, we really value what they do for us here. They make us a great product, and, you know, we're pretty good at selling it. So that's pretty magic, isn't it?
And then next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give Ramona a bundle of 5 coats. There's 5 of everything to make 5 of your coats.
So that's all the cut pieces for it?
Every piece is cut. That's all the linings.
Yeah.
And these are all 5 of everything, the pieces. All different shapes.
And then she's going to
all
take
one size.
All those flat pieces of cloth, and she's going to make them into a full 3-dimensional jacket.
Yeah, she's so clever, she put them all together.
And she's going to make the whole jacket from start to finish?
The whole jacket from start to finish.
So that means she's going to get really used to making Jacksnipe jackets, the whole thing. So
yeah.
Every time we do a new one, she's kind of straight in.
Ramona will do it, yeah, Ramona and Adita.
It's a bundle of flat pieces of material that get turned into a 3-dimensional jacket.
Exactly, yeah.
That's trying to invent that without knowing what to do.
And they look really good when they're done,
and they look really good, don't they?
First started doing them, we're like, this is a really nice jacket.
Yeah, it's the way,
But then,
I think this is the way.
The design's really nice, aren't they?
You brought this sort of simple vintage hunting jacket in. The fit was something different. It wasn't that sort of boxy, 4-pocket, detailed wax jacket that you see quite often. It was A-line shape, so you can use all the pockets with quite a bit of bulk and it still looks smart. A-line is the shape of an A. On this jacket, it means it's fitted around your shoulders and the upper part of your back, and then gets sort of looser and looser but balanced really well. So it will hang just as nicely with a t-shirt as it would with something bigger, a jacket or a shirt. The shape really helps. It works sort of in conjunction with the pockets because they're all based around the lower part of the jacket. So you can fill those up without everything sort of piling on top of each other and feeling like the jacket's getting tighter when you use the pockets. There's 4 on the outside, 2 on the inside. It will look the same from the outside if it's fastened up or unfastened.
No, we've seen the prices that you sell your jackets for.
Yeah, they're not over.
They're not
priced, are they?
overpriced. No.
Yeah.
We just
Oh,
just
that's really
think,
nice. That's really
yeah,
nice to hear that.
yeah.
Yeah. What does it say?
Don't be a dick.
Be a dick.
We really liked that the first time we saw it. And on something else, you had a pint of beer.
That's a pint of beer.
Yeah.
And a record.
And a record, that's
Yeah.
right.
We like our
That's like-
we like our beer and vinyl.
Yeah.
Good old style stuff.
Don't bother doing anything with your jacket. Have a pint and listen to some music instead.
You don't need to wash it, do you?
we really like these labels, do we?
This jacket, which really started out as an attempt for us to try and make outerwear again that we, a decent price that we could sell, and it's actually turned into something that is a HebTroCo staple, and it stays in the range even though the outside appearance, so the outer, changes each time. Every time we've made these, they've sold out. We didn't think it was going to be a stock item, if you like. So we made another, and that pattern has repeated. There's just a real desire for a great, simple, practical jacket. Anybody's going to look good in it, depending on, if they're tall, if they're short, how big they are. And it does so many things that I wanted it to do, which is I wanted something that I could wear just over a T-shirt like this, or that I could put on over some of our other stock items, the great kind of overshirts. So like an iron shirt, and then I can put this on top and it still looks really good.
Try it on anyway so we can see it on.
I feel like a lord. Not used to that. This kind of treatment feels good.
Very nice.
They're always good.
Yeah,
Everyone's
they're
been
nice.
lovely, hasn't it? We'll do a dog walk.
Yeah.
It's like a catwalk, but cheaper. Thank you, ladies. We've been here all morning making this film, and we've had a really good laugh with everybody that's here, with the women downstairs that are making the jackets. Morning, ladies.
Good morning, Mr. Sexy.
It's just really cool when you bother to talk to people that, they're really interested. They've got pride in their work, and then they see that we take it away and we make videos and we sell it, and they can see that people love it, and it just gives a nice warm feeling. I can see that they feel valued, and I feel like I'm actually doing something useful with my day of work by doing this, and together we're making really great products, and we're making them in Britain.